and that is what I like to see.
Josette Njeri na John Paul ndio washindi wapya wa zoni ya 2 na 4 ya mashindano ya Triathlon barani Afrika yaliyofanyika huko Watamu, kaunti ya Kilifi. Washiriki 22 waling'ang'ania taji kwenye mashindano haya ya kwanza kabisa kuwahi kufanyika nchini Kenya. Vivian Hilia wa Mombasa na Joseph Okalo wa Kisumu walimaliza nafasi ya 2 na 3 mtawalia.
It was tough. I think the swim was very hard. The water was very choppy in the waves and the seaweed. The cycle was a bit tough coming back. This area is special because a lot of the competitions happen here. So I think it's quite fun, and the ocean gives you a bit of a challenge, especially because it's rough. So that's also quite fun.
The event was nice. The swim was quite difficult. A lot of water, very choppy. The bike headwind, there was so much headwind. But the tailwind was nice. You could do best of 35, 37. I think I did my PB because on the bike I did a 35 minutes of the 20.
Kwingine kwa wachezaji wa mchezo ulengaji shabaha